how are we going to energize?
Yeah.
I mean, I haven't done anything since Christmas. Ham clearly has just given up trying. So what we need to do is we need to get things going. We need to get percolating a little bit. Anybody have any ideas what we could do? Any suggestions? Yes, Andy.
What if we changed our outgoing answering machine message so it just had a little more...
No, get the camera!
Zing.
No, get the camera!
Words we're looking for. Yes, Jim.
What about if we did an even newer voicemail message that had...
No, get the camera!
Now we're cooking. I like this. Maybe a whole theme, like a rap rhyme.
An urban thing.
An urban, yeah.
Bruh.
You want to help us out with that?
Bruh,
Or
bruh.
Stanley?
Not me.
Yes, you. Come on,
Bruh.
Stanley. Put your little game down and join the group.
No.
Bruh.
Stanley, we're having a little
Leave me alone,
we're
damn it.
having a brainstorm session.
Dip.
What you say to me, you little shit?